Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me thank the organizer of this event for giving us the chance to compete in this competition. In our team, we have me, Syahrul bin Sari, as the group leader, and other team members such as Farah Razanah Nadra, Nur Fatin Zuhaira, Nur Farahin Shamimi, and Nur Liana. We also have Dr. Nurihan as our supervisor. For the introduction, this kit media is called Algebraic Cube. It is a dynamic and interactive learning tool designed to simplify the complexity of algebraic concepts, particularly focusing on the principle of polynomial expansion and factorization. This kit includes algebra learning information from Chapter 5, Form 1, Algebraic Expression, Chapter 2, Factorization and Algebraic Fractions, and lastly, Chapter 3, Algebraic Formula from Form 2. It is ideal for classroom, workshop, and also self-study. With its innovative design and visual aid, the Cube provides a hands-on approach to understanding the algebraic identities more efficiently. By breaking down the cube into its component parts, learner can visually comprehend how terms combine, expand, and simplify. So, this can help reinforcing their grasp of mathematical concepts through practical demonstration. Algebra is a vital topic within mathematics, yet students in Malaysia face a significant challenge in mastering topics related to algebra. Despite its inclusion in curriculum, academic achievement in this area remains low, largely due to shortage of suitable educational resources. Research highlight that students having difficulties in understanding the problem, understanding meaning of variable and operation, stemming from a lack of accessible, high-quality reference material and teaching aid. Research also shows that learning by reproducing questions based on example provide more understanding to students than learning through solving example of question and evaluating question.
Hello, my name is Nur Farahin Shamimi. So next, I will talk about academic contribution for this kit. Okay, first, it will enhancing conceptual understanding. This kit helps students visualize abstract algebraic concepts such as expansion and factoring, using physical components like cubes and layers. Students also can touch, arrange, and manipulate the kit to gain a deeper understanding of algebraic operation. Next, it also can increasing engagement and motivation. Activities like crack the egg or pop-up exercise stimulate curiosity. By turning algebra into a fun game like activity, students become more willing to participate and investing their effort. Physical tools are less threatening than abstract equation, making maths more approachable. And lastly, this kit also can help teachers with effective tools. This Algebra Cube enhances teaching strategies such as structured lessons. The kit's design provides a clear progression from basic to advanced concept that help teachers to organize lesson more productive. So next, the teacher also can get the real-time feedback from the students. They can observe student use of the cube to identify misunderstandings and provide immediate support, tailoring instruction to individual needs.
Everyone, my name is Farah Razanah Nadra binti Muhammad Rashid. Next, we will move to process of product design. The development of this kit is using AD instructional design model as the main guide to help students understand certain topic better via online. This model have 5 steps, which is analyze, design, develop, implement, and lastly, evaluate. Now let's go through one by one together. On step 1, we identify our target audience, which is Form 1 and Form 2, and their learning needs. We also determine the resources required to ensure the kit align with their goal. Next, on step 2, we design the overall idea by storyboarding and creating sketches of the kit. We focus on developing learning resources that can engage and educate effectively. After that, in the develop phase, this media kit begins to take shape. Lots of information about algebra has been added, drafts are revised, and functionality is ensured. We seek validation from our supervisor to help refine the final product. Once ready, we implement. The kit is being prepared to be used in real learning scenarios. We need to be sure that it works seamlessly with the intended audience and environment. Finally, we evaluate. Through formative assessment, we measure the kit effectiveness in real learning situations, ensuring it meets educational objectives. From analysis to evaluation, the AD models help us create model kits that empower learnings and make education accessible and impactful. That's all from me. Thank you.
Commercializing an Algebra Cube kit can be an exciting opportunity to combine education and business. For this kit, first, product design and development. This kit is suitable for secondary school students for lower form. This kit also incorporates printed formulas, diagrams, or visual aids on the cubes. Lastly, ensure the kit covers key algebra concepts such as factoring, expansions, and solving equations.
The novelty of an Algebra Cube kit lies in its ability to transform abstract algebraic concepts into tangible, interactive learning experience. For example, Simi Term Card activity prepare a card matching game where students match the similar term of algebra such as a power of 3, b power of 3 with their expanded algebraic form like 8x power of 3 matched with 2x in bracket power of 3. Purpose is reinforces the expression of similar terms of algebra in a fun and competitive way.
The Algebra Cube kit is an innovative teaching tool designed to make abstract algebraic concepts more tangible and accessible. Its impact can be analyzed at three levels, that is individual, national, and society. For the individual, the Algebra Cube kit helps students to visualize and manipulate algebraic expressions, fostering a deeper conceptual understanding of topics such as factorization, expansion, and polynomial equations. For the nation, it improves education standards. Incorporating innovative tools like the Algebra Cube kit in classrooms can raise the overall quality of education by making STEM subjects more accessible and effective. And lastly, for society, it is social equity. As we know, when we make widely accessible tools like the Algebra Cube kit can empower marginalized communities by providing equal opportunities for quality education.
We include a simple note and answering tip with graphic to help students to better understand the topic and improve their imagining skill. This is the example of the note. And we also include fun activities for students to put their skill to the test. The first activity is for the first activity is storybook exercise. Here they will be given a situation where problem solving using algebra expression where the term value was given. Here, students can improve their skill on how to imagine a situation on problem-based question. At the end of the story, there will be included answer. Okay, for the next activity is terms card. Here, students will pick 2 cards at a time using their memory and their knowledge of similar term algebra. They will pick all the pair of similar terms cards. Okay, this is the example on how to play the similar terms card activities. A student will need to pick 2 cards at a time, and using their memories and knowledge on similar terms, they will need to find the pair of each card. Okay, for the next activities, it is multi-repeat cross. Here, using the clue that is given below, students will need to complete the repetition multiplication variable in the grid according to the corresponding clue. Let's look at it. Here is the example on how to do these activities. First, student will need to look at the clue below. Here it says from the down direction on 1 is y square x to the power of 4. Here is y square x to the power of 4. So the repetition multiplication is y and times x and times x. Alright. When the color of the grid change, it means that we answer it correctly.
Hi, I am Liana. Today I will explain about the online quiz that we created called Quiz Time. To start this quiz, we need to press Let's Play. This quiz contains 3 topics, Form 1 and Form 2. For this online quiz, we choose topic Algebraic Expression, Factorization and Algebraic Fraction, and last is Algebraic Formula. Now, I will show you how to play online quiz. Firstly, we choose the topic that we want answer. For example, I choose Algebraic Expression. This exercise has 3 levels, which is low, medium, and high. Secondly, I choose low level to show you to answer the question. Every level have 5 questions that student can answer. Thirdly, I choose question number 3 to show you the example of this online quiz. For example, this question given p equal to -2, m equal to 7, find 2pm minus m power of 2p. If the student choose the wrong answer, this quiz will show, sorry, your answer is wrong, please try again. If the student want to go back the question, they will press home button at the top. If the student choose correct answer, this quiz will show, congratulations, your answer is correct. This quiz also provides facilities for students because it can back to previous and next question by press the arrow button. For example, I want to back to previous question, so I press this button. This quiz also have home button that the student can back to quiz question. Home at this page can back to level of question. And last but not least, this home button at this area can back to main menu. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion, first, interactive and engaging learning. This kit uses dynamic tools such as storybook exercise, games, and scenarios to engage students in problem solving and reinforce their understanding of algebra. Secondly, it also simplifying algebraic concept. As we know, the Algebra Cube kit provides a hands-on and visual approach to understanding abstract algebraic concepts like polynomial expansion, factorization, and algebraic expressions. Thirdly, this Algebra Cube kit also focuses on visualization. It allows students to break down complex expressions into smaller parts, helping them to see how terms combine, expand, or simplify, which enhance comprehension. Last but not least, this kit Algebra Cube also alignment with curriculum. It is tailored to the Form 1 and Form 2 mathematics syllabus, focusing on key chapters such as algebraic expressions, factorization, algebraic fractions, and formulas.